This is a cap, for example. Okay, we go here. This is where we produce the branch saddle with the.
Седловые вот эти фитинги, да, как раз?
This is not only 100% automatic because you need to put also the driller, so it's 90% automatic, but the hand of the job is made by an operator. Okay, these are automatic machines. We can go to check the biggest one, where we put the support with the wire. So which is the difference? These are support with the wire. So that means that an operator or another machine has to put the wire into the support. Then the operator take the support with the wire, put here the support, and the machine runs. Now we go to check the biggest one that we use to produce up to 63, if I well remember, or 75, I don't remember, the couplers that are really fast moving. So you see, these are the support with the wire. But you start from this point. So you just put the support without anything into the machine. The support will arrive here. The robot take the support and after measures put the support on the core part of the machine, where automatically the wire starts. Then we pull down here, and starting with this slope go inside in the upper part. At the end, be careful.
Yeah.
At the end, for this kind of machine, you have the final product already packed, tested, labeled, and packed on this box.
Wow.
This is only for couplers, only up to, I really don't remember if 63 or 75. Anyway, small sizes that are fast movers.
This is for smart flex or which?
This is for Elofit.
Okay.